जी।
एक मिनट और टीम के साथ
Yes, yes.
हाँ हाँ
मोर टीम ऐसे करते हैं सर
Wait. I'm actually done.
या
Yes.
थोड़ा सेंटर बस
Great. Thank you.
Try to not let fall. Thank you.
We'll wait for you for a minute, sir.
Ritika.
Yes.
Hi sir, I'll just give you a brief about
Yeah.
the bike. So we would just want you to say something along these lines like I'm Manoj Bajpayee. I'm on the cover of Society Achievers magazine. Do read my full story. Do read my story. That's it.
Hi, this is Manoj Bajpayee.
सर एक सेकंड
देखो एंड मौके पे दुल्हन नदारत हो गया
And sir.
दादा रेडी
दिस इज मनोज वाजपेयी देखो ये क्या कर तुम बदमाशी कर रहे हो दिस इज मनोज वाजपेयी आई विल बी ऑन द कवर ऑफ सोसाइटी अचीवर्स
Society Achievers magazine.
Society. I am Manoj Bajpayee. I'll be on the cover of Society Achievers magazine. Do read my story in this magazine. My best wishes to Society Achievers magazine. ठीक है?
Thank you so much. That's it.
सर
Wow, what a grand feeling. But hold your breath and थोड़ा सा और इंतजार कर ले हैं उन्हें देखने के लिए यहाँ पर. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together as we like to invite our media magnate, our guru, the very young legend who makes it possible for all of us to be together. Let's hear it for Mr. Nari Hira, our media magnate, and the very trailblazer and dynamic Mr. Ashok Damankar, along with our editor for Society Achievers, Miss Andrea Costaber. May I please welcome all of you here. Yes, you're a young living legend, absolutely. Wow. What a nice pose. Thank you. This is the moment. It's time for us to welcome a very young legend who, of course, started with Satya, Shul, and gangs of Vasepur. Right now, he's riding real high on the fabulous success of Gulmohar, ladies and gentlemen. We don't have to forget the outstanding performances he's given us, chahe wo Rajniti ho, and the great, incredible films, of course, his method acting, jinse sabhi new actors and renowned actors seekhte hain. Gives us great pleasure, ladies and gentlemen, to welcome the recipient of 3 national awards in the country and absolutely non-stop, uncountable accolades, awards and recognitions since the past 3 decades. उनकी मुस्कुराहट में बिल्कुल जादू है, उनकी आंखों में वो चमक है. He has the star twinkling in his eye and of course with his heart completely to the world of films and now the world of OTT. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please give a huge humongous round of applause for the one and only Padma Shri Manoj Bajpayee. I'm going to give you 30 seconds. You can stare at him. Even I want to do that. Thank you. And now, towards the big name. For the grand unveiling, because I'm really excited and I can't wait to take a look at our cover page featuring our superstar and his stories being told in our magazine, Society Achievers. So please join me for the countdown of 5. I'm going to please request Nari Hira sir, Manoj sir to take the right positions. So wait, we'll have the countdown of 5. हम सबको cover page देखना है, wow. So are we ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen.
Whoa! Yeah!
It says, relentless. Manoj Bajpayee steals the screen.
Same pose.
Same pose, yeah? एक हो जाए same pose.
मनोज जी same pose.
Oh, please can hold on कीजिए ना. Wow.
Yeah.
I'm going to please request Narihira sir, Andrea, for a photo op, please, together. What a fabulous feeling. Ladies and gentlemen, brought to us by Magnet Publishing. We are truly happy to be here at this very amazing place. Our invincible Selavi, thank you for this grand unveiling of our Society Achiever Feb edition. And now I'm going to please invite my lovely team of Magnet Publishing. May we please invite you here. Dear Sir, Preeta Nair, I'm going to please request you as well. And Preeta ji, please come and join us for a photo op. Thank you, our lovely team of Magnet Publishing. Ladies and gentlemen, a humble thanks to Sunil Khanwekar. Sir, smile, Sunil ji. Shukriya. Preeta ji, you want to come here because I want the complete magazine look, the complete picture. Thank you to my lovely family of Magnet Publishing. I'm going to thank Sir and Miss Preeta. Thank you, Sunil sir. And now request Narihira sir to felicitate Manoj Bajpayee towards the big name, along with Ashok Damankar sir, with a bouquet and a shawl as well. Wow, thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I'm going to thank... No, sir, Manoj sir, आपको मेरे साथ सर मुझे मौका मिल रहा है. Please don't leave me and go. Thank you so much, sir. Congratulations.
Solo photo.
Yes, please. So you can give your poses different for different social media handles. We can have all the press from the media will be very happy. Yogesh sir is here too. Thank you, sir. मैंने कहा था वो आंखों में मैजिक है. क्या कशिश, क्या जुनून. Mind-blowing performance of ladies and gentlemen by Padma Shri Manoj Bajpayee. Thanks to the media. Thank you. And this is the moment. जिसका हम सब इंतजार कर रहे थे. At first, we like to know from you, how does it feel taking a look at yourself on this cover page, and how impressed are you with yourself, Manoj? We are impressed by you.
No, thank you very much. Thank you. First of all, good evening, everyone. Thank you, Mr. Narihira. It's so amazing. I have been very active in this industry, sometime outside the film studios and sometime the inside the film studios. And since that long, we've been admiring, idolizing Mr. Narihira for so many decades, and it's still going on and looking so evergreen, ever young. So thank you for this opportunity. Thank you for this honor. Ashok, you've been such a constant supporter of mine, never given up on me. Even when the chips were down, Ashok was there. Even when the life and the career looked quite bright, Ashok was quietly there behind me. So thank you. Thank you for all the support and believing in me. It all looks quite miraculous for me. I never thought that I would survive for this long in an industry which is driven by box office, in an industry which used to be driven by formula. I could not see myself beyond being heroine's brother or the main villain's henchman. And now, standing here, I am only thankful to God Almighty there, and all my family and the people out there who believed in me, and all the directors who never lost hope in me and always believed in my ability and kept on pushing me. And on this day, since you are giving me this opportunity and this mic, I am only indebted to my wife for always standing beside me and never letting me give up. So yeah, this is a great time to see yourself on a cover of magazine of this magnitude. I am thankful, Mr. Narendra. Thank you very much, the entire team. Thanks a lot for supporting me.
Oh, wow, that was very, very, very touchy. And, you know, knowing about Manoj being on the cover page and knowing about the success of Gulmohar and coming to the OTT platform and again cracking it and making it big, how does it feel? Kaisa lag raha hai that, you know, you've been successful even on this platform? Please tell us a little bit about the experience.
It's a platform which has completely changed the demography of this industry. It has completely democratized the film industry that we could not do alone. Today, so many talents are busy. So many talents from each and every department they are so much consumed into creating some really fantastic content. So my success alone will never matter anything. It will be very personal. But everyone who is, talented, everyone who is able, everyone who had some vision about the entertainment industry, about themselves, about their own talent, everyone at the same time is busy, is the best thing that could happen to this industry. And this is where that makes me the happiest. And this is the time I thought that I will never see in this lifetime. And these 2 years or 3 years brought that change. That is so amazing. That is miraculous. That is where you feel that there is God somewhere who is making everything happen.
Manoj, you've been very versatile with the characters you've played. And trust me, जब आपको हम screen पे देखते हैं ना, we don't even blink our eyes. I'm being very honest, and that's why I said, everyone, all right, hold your breath. It's the performance you give. It's not just from the heart. I think it's connected to the soul. वो रूह से आती है. So tell us some of your memorable performances which have been very close to your heart. Would you like to share with all of us and with Society Achievers? Probably कोई राज भी फाश कर लीजिए.
नहीं, कोई राज है नहीं. क्योंकि मेरी बड़ी तमन्ना थी हमेशा से कि मैं इमेज की तरफ जाना ही नहीं चाहता था कभी भी. मैं हमेशा कैरेक्टर की तरफ जाना चाहता था. और वो पॉसिबल हुआ, धीरे धीरे हुआ. और अब ज़्यादा हो रहा है क्योंकि अब मीडियम बहुत सारे हैं. थिएटर भी है, OTT है, और भी बहुत सारे रास्ते खुल गए हैं जहाँ पे आप where you just can justify yourself as an actor, where I can throw myself, dive deep into a character and forget about everything else. I am very passionate about this craft called acting. I think this is the love story which is far more important to me than anything else. Me and my craft of acting. That is something it is going to go forever. It is something which is not dying down. Every day the greed is more for some amazing actors. And here in this case, there's this bundle of talent, Rahul Chitela, who has directed Gulmohar. These are the kind of people who are pushing me to accept the challenge and pushing me to deliver. And that's how I can, I can walk into unknown. That walk into unknown is something I love the most.
Wow, I'm very happy, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, as he's already mentioned, we have the entire cast and crew of Gulmohar here. But right after start with these two questions. So please do tell us about your future endeavors and this love story पे जो आपकी और आपके craft के बीच में उस पे कभी फिल्म देखने का हमें मौका मिलेगा?
I don't know उस पे कौन फिल्म बनाएगा, पर उसमें मैं तो नहीं रहूँगा। लेकिन ये थिएटर के समय से लेकर के मैं बहुत छोटा था और 6th standard में या 5th standard में था मैं. I can't remember it exactly. And I was given this poem to recite in elocution contest and to represent my class.
Okay.
So I don't know, for some reason, since I was very quiet and reserved and always on like a fly on the wall, my teacher decided to kind of correct me or show me the way. So he's given me this responsibility to recite that poem, and that poem was written by none other than Mr. Harivansh Rai Bachchan. And he made me prepare that poem every day after the class. And when the D-Day came, I went on stage. After the recitation was over, the applause that I heard has told me that this is where I belong. And since then, the journey is still going on. And from that time, I decided that I would only become an actor, coming from a village, son of or child of a farmer. Is miraculous. I don't think it's possible without the intervention of Almighty. It's not possible.
Oh, this is unbelievable. Thank you. Very, very inspiring. Tell us about your future endeavors as well, your future films that you do.
Okay, right now, Gulmohar is keeping us quite busy.
Yes.
Since it has become, each and every household passion, love, and it has become the top point for each and every group. So the entire group is, all the group, members are sitting here. Our only job is to dress up nicely and go and give interviews. So we are just kind of, our day starts together and it ends, with a party somewhere like Selavi here. So, but after this, Banda is there, which is the studio and Vinod Bhanushali have produced. And there's another new exciting talent, Apurva Singh has directed it, which will be coming right after this. Then there is an amazing series that I have done with Abhishek Chaubey, is one of the best directors of this country, called Soup, with Konkana Singh Sharma, Sayaji Shinde, Nasir sir from Tamil Nadu. That is a mad, crazy ride you should be waiting for.
Yeah, wait.
So, and then there is Joram by Devashish Makhija, which is traveling to all the big festivals, and that will be releasing by the end of this year. Then there is Kanu Behel's Dispatch, which is produced by Ronnie Screwvala. And there is Ram Reddy's film Pahadon Mein. All of these works are complete and they are in post-production.
This is magnificent, ladies and gentlemen, Padma Shri Manoj Bajpayee.
Thank you.
And let's give it up for a very young and dynamic director of Gulmohar, Rahul, and the very vivacious, ladies and gentlemen. May we please continue the applauses for Geetanjali Agarwal, our producer
Gitika
of the film,
Agarwal.
Gitika Agarwal.
Thank you.
Gitika, you've got a... Gitika, please come here. No, please. We would want to ask both of you questions. आप please आ जाओ ना. Gitika, मुझे बताओ. He's given you a new storyline. 6th grade से लेकर, the life it starts. You're going to produce a new film on his story as well. But for now, I'm going to please request you both to tell us a little bit about Gulmohar and the great success that you've got about Gulmohar. How did this seed really grow and become so huge that it's spread across the world?
Firstly, I don't think we expected it to be such an explosion. It's still very unreal for the entire team, because when we made it, we just made it with a lot of love. We became a family while making a film about a family, and we were just enjoying that moment. We still are. So, in fact, whenever we meet, we keep exchanging all these reviews and comments, and my father sent this, my uncle sent this, and that's when it really hits us that, oh my God, okay, people have really embraced it. way beyond what our expectations are. So thank you so much for all of that.
Thank you, Rahul. Geetika, what do you like to say? Captain of the ship is a producer as well, along with the director.
I want to pretty much echo exactly what Rahul has said and what Manoj has said. It's been such an incredible experience working with everyone, and we've truly forged a family. So thank you to the cast, the crew, and also for, you know, to everyone who's actually gone ahead and supported the film, loved it, watched it, and also shared and, you know, gone all out, you know, like rooting for us. So thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'm going to please request you, I'm just going to pass, I'm going to have a photo op with the director and the producer, and I'm going to invite the lovely cast of the film as well here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's continue the applauses and put our hands together right after their photo op. Wow. आप तालियां बजा सकते हैं बिल्कुल. Ladies and gentlemen, the very beautiful Geetika Agarwal and Rahul Chitella. I'm going to please request Surat Sharma, Kaveri Seth, Utsavi Jha, Jatin Goswami, Gandhar Devan, Shrihash Sharma. Thank you, Shrihash. Ayush Devan to kindly join us here. Is everyone here? From the lovely family of Gulmohar. आप नजदीक आ सकते हो. Come, can just come closer. The beautiful family, cast and crew of Gulmohar. Huge heartfelt congratulations to all of you for the success. We're gonna have a few photo ops, and if anyone would like to say anything at this moment, when we have Padma Shri Manoj Bajpayee on the cover, he's the one talkative. He would love to. He said, perfect.
Hi, my name is Sriharsh, and I'm really grateful for the avsar of having been given the mic, and I think that looking at Manojji on the cover of Society magazine is extremely inspiring for, I think, anyone who's a young actor in India, and I couldn't have asked for a better director, cast, crew, and of course producer, and I just want to thank all of you.
Kya baat hai. Does anyone else like to say something before we go ahead? The girls would like to speak something?
Also, we could talk about her song also.
Sure.
Hello, thank you so much for being here and thank you for having us here. It's been an incredible journey. I'm just so grateful to be standing here with all these talented people. Lovely cover. Congratulations to you. We're very grateful for the love that the movie is receiving. Very moved by the experience of working with Manoj sir, such an incredible team like Rahul, Geetika, my co-actors, all of them. They're extremely talented, and we really hope all of you here can go and watch Gulmohar today and also purchase a copy of Society magazine.
Yeah, that's so kind.
But we're really happy. Thank you so much for having us here. I got the unbelievable opportunity of also singing in the movie and being a part of it along with all these people, so I couldn't have asked for more. So thank you for trusting all of us, and I'm just happy that Rahul and his story could get the rightful love and platform that it deserved, and all of us could be a part of it.
Wow, that was so brilliant. Well, let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, please do read the story and the write-up about Manoj Bajpayee. ये जो pose है ना बहुत special है. मतलब it's mind-blowing. मतलब I'm just staring on it.
Like
yeah, you want to say something? Yeah.
That it's an honor to be standing with Manoj sir here, since he's been awarded and acknowledged today, but he's made us feel so welcome and so comfortable and so just so at home during this entire experience. It does not feel like, you know, sometimes you forget that we're sitting with Padma Shri Manoj Bajpayee, so he just felt like my father, whose role, you know, he's playing my father in the movie, and I'm sure each one of us agrees and is on the same page with that. So thank you, sir and Rahul, for treating us like a family and creating a family.
Wow. After all, he's a family man. The success story of the family man as well.
And also, if you notice, he has 3 fingers up.
Yeah.
He's won 3 national awards. Next time when your magazine comes, he'll have 4.
Kya baat hai. You noticed so well. 3 national awards. Yeah, that's so amazing. Anything else you guys want to add on? You've noticed? I've probably missed on. नहीं अब मनोज
क्या है
का
जो
बोला पड़ेगा.
मेरे टीचर ने, बिकॉज मैं बहुत शाई हुआ करता, बहुत रिजर्व था, है, और तो मुझे उन्होंने जो है पोएम रिसाइट करने के लिए कहा था. तो मैं जब सबसे शाई बंदा है
और सबसे क्वाइट है जतिन, और इतना टैलेंटेड है, उससे मैं कहता हूँ वो कुछ बोले।
सर उसकी पहली मुस्कुराहट है अब जब आपने कहा कुछ कहे, मतलब कब से मुस्कुरा नहीं रहे थे?
I just feel very grateful that I am standing here with Manoj sir. I auditioned for this film and Rahul selected me, and for me to get to perform in this film and be part of this film is obviously extremely huge, but the biggest gift that you could have given me was the opportunity to spend time with Manoj sir, and I'm extremely grateful for that. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Rahul Chitella and Geetika Agarwal are riding high on the success. Please go ahead.
Thank you.
मनोज जी वो कौन सा पोएम था जरा सा?
भाई मुझे पूरा याद नहीं है, बच्चन साहब सुनेंगे तो बहुत गाने देंगे। तो अगर गलत सलत करता हूँ तो मुझे बहुत गुस्सा होता है, लेकिन वो ये है कि जो बीत गई सो बात गई। ओके, 2 लाइन में सुनाता हूँ, 2-3 लाइन तो सही होगा।
Thank you.
जो बीत गई सो बात गई, जीवन में एक सितारा था, माना वो बेहद प्यारा था। वो छूट गया तो छूट गया, पर अंबर के तारों को देखो, जाने कितने तारे छूटे, जाने कितने प्यारे टूटे। जो छूट गए फिर कहाँ मिले, जो छूट गए फिर कहाँ मिले, पर बोलो टूटे तारों पर कब अंबर शोक मनाता है, जो बीत गई सो बात गई। अभी कुछ गलत बोला होगा तो मुझे उधर से जो मैसेज आएगा।
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू।
Thank you. I'm going to please request you for one photo op, close आकर Geetika and Rahul की entire beautiful family to come closer for the photo op. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the entire cast and crew of Gulmohar. And I'm going to request Manoj and Ashok to kindly present इनकी of course Gulmohar film successful है, लेकिन हम छोटा सा गुलदस्ता आपको दे रहे हैं, लेकिन every petal is full of love. So I'm going to please request Manoj sir and Ashok sir to kindly present it to our very lovely, amazing producer Geetika Agarwal and our very lovely cast, along with the director Rahul Chitella. Rahul अपना ताली बजाओ, वाह! Thank you. A humble thanks to the entire cast and crew of Gulmohar. Manoj sir, you have to be here with us to do a few more felicitations, but I'm going to please request you all to kindly take your seats for the next few minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to acknowledge the presence of our esteemed dignitaries who honored us this beautifully and welcoming Srimati Manju Mangal Prabhat Lodha ji, who's joined us here. Sir Color Family Man has been a huge success, and Inki family story has been supremely successful as well. Ladies and gentlemen, before we present the bouquet to her, Manju ji, do shabd aapse zarur sunna chahenge. She's completely magnificent, the greatest philanthropist I've ever met, and one of the very renowned authors the world has experienced. Her last book just released last month, and let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, she's been truly phenomenal in all the endeavors. 2 शब्द और आपकी पोइट्री जरूर सुनना चाहेंगे मंजू जी। सबसे पहले तो बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आने के लिए।
मुस्कुराती हुई जिंदगानी चाहिए, आज कुछ ऐसी रवानी चाहिए, सारी दुनिया अपनी हो जाती है, बस एक उसकी मेहरबानी चाहिए, एक उसकी मेहरबानी चाहिए। हमारी हीरा सर को, अशोक जी को मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करती हूँ जो आज उन्होंने मुझे यहाँ पर आमंत्रित किया, और विशेष कर सिमरन ने मुझे कम से कम 10 फ़ोन लगाए होंगे कि मंजू भूलना मत, तुम जरूर आ जाना। और जब उन्होंने कहा कि मनोज सर आ रहे हैं तो मैंने कहा फिर ये मौका तो मैं चूकना ही नहीं चाहती हूँ। तो बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ पर आकर, और जैसे कि उन्होंने कहा कि किताबें आप खरीद कर पढ़ना, क्योंकि आजकल हम जो भी हैं किताबें हम गूगल पे चले जाते हैं, किंडल पे चले जाते हैं, वहाँ जाकर पढ़ते हैं, लेकिन मेरा यहाँ मानना है किताबें जब आप हाथ से छूते हो तो एक अलग एहसास होता है। जो एक किताबों के पन्ने की जो एक फीलिंग आती है ना, वो मीन्स हमें दूर कहीं बचपन में ले जाती है, जब हम किताबें पढ़ते पढ़ते सिर पर ढककर सिर पर मतलब सो जाया करते थे और अपने किरदारों में खो जाया करते थे, किताबों की एक अलग दुनिया में चले जाते थे। और किताबें लेने देने के बहाने मनोज जी कितने ही रिश्ते बन जाते थे। हम सबको अपने ज़माने की पिक्चर मेरे महबूब याद आया होगी, जब पहली बार नायक और नायिका आपस में टकराते हैं, किताबें हाथ से छूट कर नीचे गिरती हैं और नायक उठाकर उसे देता है। मुझे लगता है आप सबको भी वो गीत याद आ रहा होगा, मेरे महबूब तुझे मेरी मोहब्बत की कसम, मेरे महबूब तुझे। इसलिए कहती हूँ किताबें हमेशा खरीद के पढ़ा करें। किताबों के पन्नों पर एक अलग ही एहसास होता है और किताबें हमारे जीवन में ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क लाती हैं। मनोज जी, रशियन लेखक चेकव की कहानी में इसका बहुत सशक्त उदाहरण है, जहाँ दो मित्र होते हैं, एक मित्र बहुत अमीर है और दूसरा दीन है। तो अमीर मित्र अपने दीन मित्र से कहता है कि मैं तुझे 1 लाख रुपया दूंगा, तुम मेरे मकान के कमरे में 25 साल बिताओगे। आज 1 लाख रुपए का कोई मायने नहीं है, लेकिन उस समय वो 1 लाख रुपया करोड़ों के बराबर था। और दीन मित्र उसकी वो शर्त स्वीकार कर लेता है कि मैं अपनी मनपसंद पुस्तकों के सहारे, उसका जीवन वहाँ पर शुरू होता है। पहले मनोरंजक पुस्तकें पढ़ता है, फिर विज्ञान की, धर्म की, और अंत में आध्यात्मिक पुस्तकें पढ़ते पढ़ते वो उन आध्यात्मिक ऊंचाइयों को छू लेता है जहाँ की शर्त खत्म होने में सिर्फ 5 मिनट बचे हैं, लेकिन वो शर्त की अवधि तोड़कर स्वयं बाहर आ जाता है, क्योंकि अब उसे इस भौतिक खजाने की आवश्यकता नहीं है, क्योंकि उसने एक ऐसा खजाना पा लिया है जो जन्म जन्मांतर तक उसके साथ रहेगा, ज्ञान का वो खजाना जिसे कोई लूट नहीं सकता है। तो ये किताबें होती हैं जो जीवन में जमीन आसमान का फर्क ला देती हैं। इसलिए आपने बेटा सच कहा कि किताबें खरीद के पढ़नी चाहिए, और आप सब लोग खरीद कर पढ़िएगा। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और अभी अभी हमने कल वुमेंस डे मनाया है, और आप स्वयं वुमन हैं, और आपने इतनी, मैंने नारी हीरा की सारी पिक्चरें देखी हैं, टीवी में हमेशा पिक्चरें देखा करती थी, आपकी बहुत अच्छी लगती थी, थ्रिलिंग होती थी वो पिक्चरें। और मनोज जी की तो सारी पिक्चरें देखी हैं। और हम सब महिलाएं हैं, घर में बहुत सारे, हर मतलब घर और बाहर दोनों की जिम्मेदारियां निभाते हैं। आप लोग एक ही निभाते हो, इसीलिए तो कहते हैं नर में कोई मात्रा नहीं है, नारी में 2-2 मात्राएं हैं। तो मैं हमारी जितनी भी महिलाएं हैं उन सबसे एक ही बात कहना चाहूँगी कि वक्त बदला है और वक्त का मिजाज भी, जागी है हिम्मत और जागा है विश्वास भी। आज नहीं मैं अबला, आज नहीं मैं बेचारी, बदल चुकी हूँ खुद को, शक्ति है पहचान हमारी, शक्ति है पहचान हमारी। इसीलिए हवाओं से कह दो कि अपनी औकात में रहें, हम परों से नहीं हौसलों से उड़ा करती हैं, हौसलों से उड़ा करती हैं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। यहाँ पर सिमरन, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और सिमरन के लिए मैं कहूँगी, मैं इसे 5 साल पहले मिली थी, मतलब तब ये एक मतलब इतनी सकुचाई सी थी कि मैं बस धीरे धीरे यहाँ पाँव जमा रही हूँ। और आज देखो, जब भी इसको मैं फेसबुक खोलती हूँ, ये आज मतलब एक सिटी में नहीं है, देश में विदेश में कहाँ कहाँ, और सारे कोई भी फंक्शन ऐसा नहीं है जो सिमरन के बिना हो सकता है कि हुनर एक हो तो उसका जिक्र भी करूँ। यहाँ तो खूबियों के सागर की सीमा नहीं है, ऐसी है हमारी सिमरन। और मनोज जी, आपके लिए यही कहूँगी कि अभिनय की एक अनमोल मिसाल हो और हर किरदार में लाजवाब हो, हर किरदार में लाजवाब हो। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
बहुत शुक्रिया अशोक सर। Please join Manoj ji and present this beautiful, lovely bouquet. Please आ जाएं मंजू जी. I want to please request Dr. Rohan Palshetkar and Dr. Karishma Palshetkar to kindly join us here center stage. We'd like to present a lovely bouquet to both of you. Thank you. We'd like to request you all for a few words first, or present the bouquet first, whatever. Rohan and Karishma, may I request you for a few words, please?
Me today, and this cover is so beautiful, and you know, just really glad to be here. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I think it's really wonderful to see you on the cover, and as Surajji also said, that for your 3 national awards, we're really hoping for the 4th one for you as well. Congratulations on that, and it's really great to be here with you, and we've been seeing you become greater and greater as days go by. So we wish you all the best, and thank you for being here to felicitate us as well. Thank you.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, with innumerable films, he's the one. अपनी मुस्कुराहट से और अपने होर्डिंग से सबका दिल जीते हैं, और हमारे सुपरस्टार्स को हमेशा बेहद खुश करते हैं, चाहे वो प्रोड्यूसर्स हो या डायरेक्टर्स हो। सर आपको माइक पे कहना है, सर आपको माइक दे।
थैंक यू वेरी मच। मनोज भाई की पहली फिल्म से मैं ब्राइट जुड़ा हुआ है, उनकी पहली फिल्म की पब्लिसिटी भी ब्राइट ने की है और आज तक की हर फिल्म का मैं हिस्सा रह चुका हूँ। और नारी सर आपके भी 1983 से जब पहली होर्डिंग बांद्रा में लगी थी मैंने लगाई थी, शायद आप भूल गए कि मैं आज मौका मिला तो याद कर रहा था। और जितने भी स्टारडस्ट अवार्ड का ब्राइट हिस्सा है और सिमरन का भी पहला इवेंट से मैं एसोसिएट हूँ।
सर ये भी चाहिए सोसाइटी अचीवर।
सोसाइटी अचीवर का भी होर्डिंग्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री मनोज भाई का करता मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि मैं 1-1 रुपए का रोड पे न्यूज़पेपर और मैगजीन बेचता था। उसमें से मेरा आईपीओ 14 मार्च को आईपीओ लॉन्च हो रहा है। 14 मार्च को आईपीओ लॉन्च हो रहा है, लिस्टिंग डेट है 24।
सर बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो, आईपीओ लॉन्च हो रहा है, क्या बात है। न्यूज़पेपर बेचते थे वहाँ से लेकर कि मुझे डेट याद था 24, मैंने कहा 24 आप भूल गए। मैं अपना ब्लॉग रखा है सर। हाँ सर बिल्कुल। Ladies and gentlemen, we've always loved the world of Cineyug, larger than life. और जब सिनेयुग रहता है, so all we need to see is the entire world, entertainment, entertainment and entertainment, complete package के साथ. Ladies and gentlemen, we are truly happy, excited, thrilled and overwhelmed to have with us the man himself. And right now, tonight he's flying to Abu Dhabi for the T10 match, but we'd like to hear a few words from you, Mohammed.
First of all, thank you for having me here, and congratulations Society for launching amazing magazine with dear Manoj ji, a very dear friend of mine, and we are very common friends. We meet often, and I'm a big fan of his, and always followed his work. And I must see Gulmohar, guys. Congratulations! I really not seen it, so I think I'm missing something. And the first thing I'm gonna do is and congratulations for the. I think I heard about it, but I'm not. Lovely meeting the team here. Congratulations, Nari ji. Thank you, Ashok ji, Sunil ji, all the entire team of Society. And it was great having you all here. And keep loving us, and we keep getting great entertainment to all you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Leading the world of media. Please, I'm sure you're looking lovely in black today. She's all dressed up in holy attire as well. पर ये हमेशा ही होली खेलती है। 2 शब्द आपसे 2 शब्द सुनना चाहेंगे।
It feels very nice when you see talented people out here and making their mark over and over again. I think we just saw 3 fingers. I want 10 out there. I mean, it's such an honor to be here. Thank you so much, Ashok ji. Thank you so much, Nari ji. And thank you so much, Manoj and Simran. Manoj ji, it feels so good to be clicking a picture with you every time.
मैम 10 के साथ पोज भी बता देना आप। मनोज के लिए पोज भी बता देना। क्या? ओह ऑलरेडी पोज बना भी लिया। वाओ दैट वाज अमेजिंग।
एक पोज कर ही लीजिए।
दे दो फिर पोज बना लेंगे।
ऑफ कोर्स आपसे बेहतर कौन बना सकता है?
Clap for him, yeah.
Can you please welcome Shiva? He's here with us, Shiva. Manoj Bajpayee for giving us all the love that he shared with us and showered us with tons of course, at the same time, he shared his craft and given us tons of love through his films, through his presence here. We thank all our friends from the media. Shasa. When was this decided? I didn't say that. Thank you, Narina sir, our young living legend. And now, ladies and gentlemen, ये बिल्कुल क्या style है? I'm going to request. Wow. I'm going to please request a few words from Nari Hira sir, our media magnate. Sir, can I request a few words, please?
Thank you everyone for being here and making it a great evening. And thank you Manoj for being here and honoring us. Thank you.
You're an incredible actor and we really love you. Thank you for being on our cover.
Manoj, we love you. I think from Manoj की जो पहली पिक्चर थी सत्या, तब हम मिले थे दोनों साथ में, तब से अभी तक हमारी जर्नी चालू है और आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ मनोज that he's doing extremely, not the extremely word, it's extremely beyond the word, and I'm so happy and proud of him. Thank you so much, Manoj, for coming here and sparing your valuable time and giving us the opportunity to be putting on our cover of Society Achievers.
Okay, I think it's all coming to an end, right, Simran?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so thank you very much for really braving the traffic and coming here. And first of all, we should actually, thank you for that. And thanks everyone and all the team of Society Achievers magazine for giving such an honor and prestige to not only to me but also to my Gulmohar team. I must tell you one thing: we have been promoting the film since a very long time now, and it's all coming to an end. And I was telling one of the team members that this is the first felicitation for Gulmohar team, and I know there are many more to come. So, yes. So once they are all gone, we'll be standing here.
मनोज जी एक सिमरन को दीजिए
He wants to take a picture with you very badly. Arey, take his picture.
Please stop.
सबसे पहले तो बहुत बहुत मुबारक, ये एक जिस लुक में आप आए हैं बहुत ही चर्चा हो रही है जब से अनिल है। बताइए ये इस लुक के लिए, लुक को बनाए रखने के लिए थोड़ा यहाँ बियर्ड नहीं है?
नहीं, मैं किसी फिल्म की शूटिंग कर रहा था जिसमें बियर्ड था, तो उस समय ये फ़ोटो शूट हुआ और फिर फिल्म के बाद फिर हटाना पड़ा क्योंकि दूसरी फिल्म की शूटिंग भी करनी थी। लेकिन मैं आपको बताऊं कि गुलमोहर करने के बाद मैं वो फिल्म कर रहा था जिसमें बियर्ड था। तो गुलमोहर में मैं 3 बच्चों के बाप का रोल कर रहा हूं और इसमें एक 3 महीने की बच्ची का रोल प्ले कर रहा हूं। तो अलग दिखना था, अलग तरीके की पूरी कहानी थी। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट कि कहाँ एक आदिवासी का रोल कर रहा था और ये कपड़े पहनने के बाद ये कवर पे चला गया। यही तो माया है, माया नगरी की।
ऐसे सेक्सी हॉट
और बाप रे बाप,
मतलब 25 साल का युवा ऐसे बन के हमेशा अपने आप को,
मैं ये सब नहीं देखता, मैं ये देखता नहीं। मैं एक डिसिप्लिन में रहता हूँ मैं, और डिसिप्लिन में रहने से चीज़ें थोड़ी आसान रहती हैं। लेकिन ये भी एक सच्चाई है कि जब जो होना है तब सो होता है। सो वो तो होगा ही, है कि नहीं? अब बहुत ही बढ़िया। इतने साल से मैं इस इंडस्ट्री में हूँ और इतने साल से स्टारडस्ट और मिस्टर नारी हीरा, इन सब लोगों ने बहुत वेलकम किया मुझे। बहुत साल आप लोगों के पहले के जनरेशन के जर्नलिस्ट भी थे और फोटोग्राफर्स भी थे जिन्होंने बहुत साथ दिया, बहुत सपोर्ट किया, तभी हम लोग यहाँ पे पहुँच पाते हैं। अकेले करने से कुछ होता नहीं है। जी जी, मैं आपको सच बताऊं तो हेलो हाय का, नमस्ते का कभी 2-3 बार में ही मिला था और ये अफसोस रह जाएगा कि कभी काम नहीं किया उनके साथ। हमारे सीनियर थे, इतना पता था, तो यही कभी ऐसे ही किसी पार्टी में, किसी फंक्शन में मिल गए, नमस्ते। एक बार उन्होंने एक कहानी सुनाई थी मुझे, फिर उसके बाद कोई बात नहीं हो पाई थी। लेकिन बाकी बहुत सारे इस मामले में जो है भाग्यशाली रहे कि उनको या तो उनकी दोस्ती थी उनके साथ या उनको काम करने का अवसर मिला था। लेकिन इस तरह से उनका चले जाना ये बहुत ही बड़ा धक्का लगा है हर किसी को। और जिस तरह से उनका रिश्ता हर किसी के साथ था, ये मैं देख रहा हूँ सोशल मीडिया पे, वो कमाल का है कि सबको लग रहा है जैसे कि उनके घर का कोई व्यक्ति गया है।
लास्ट क्वेश्चन, गुलमोहर में आप इतना अंडरप्लेड कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहे हैं
जी।
फ्रॉम वेयर वी सीन यू नो,
हर कोई जानना चाहता है
कैसे कर लिया आपने?
मेरे डायरेक्टर जो हैं राहुल चिटेला और राइटर्स अर्पिता, इन लोगों ने एक कमाल की कहानी, एक कमाल की स्क्रिप्ट लिखी थी और एक ऐसे पिता का रोल जिसके 3 काफ़ी अडल्ट बच्चे हैं और जिनकी माँ जो हैं वो जो है 80 साल की हैं। तो उस रोल को करने के लिए मुझे एक ख़ास तरीके की मैच्योरिटी, एक ख़ास तरीके की जिसे कहें स्टेट ऑफ माइंड में जाना था और उसके लिए कोशिश करनी पड़ी मुझे। लेकिन मैं जानता था एक चीज़ जो मैं हमेशा राहुल को बोलता था कि अगर लोगों को ये फिल्म नहीं लगे और ऐसा लगे जैसे कि उनके ही परिवार में हो रहा है ये, तब हम सक्सेसफुल हो जाएंगे, तब हम अचीव कर लेंगे। आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट एवरीवन इज़ feeling the same. Everyone is feeling that it is the story of their family. The laughter that they are having, or the grief that they are feeling, the pain that they are feeling is their own. This is the reaction we are getting, and I really thank everyone for really watching it and admiring it and promoting the film after that. You know, more than the team members, now the audience is promoting the film. That's the success. That's the real success of Gulmohar. Thank you.
Thank you so much.